Once more, my name is Godwin, the author of African Bedtime Stories. Have fun and enjoy yourself.
Hello, children.
Hello, Auntie.
I'm going to tell you stories today, still from our African bedtime stories. Wow. Who wrote the book?
Mr. Godwin C. Nwaogwugwu.
Mr. Godwin C. Nwaogwugwu is the author of African Bedtime Stories 1. Once upon a time, there was a little boy, Dio, who was disobedient to his parents. Dio would come up with any flimsy excuse in order to avoid running errands. One day, his mom said to him, "Dio, please help me and get some firewood so that I can cook food for you and your sisters." Dio went into the kitchen and dropped cooking oil on his elbow. Show me your elbow. He rubbed cooking oil on his elbow such that it looked shiny and swollen. Then he went to his mom and said, "Mom, I broke my hand yesterday while I was playing soccer. It's hurting so much. I am not able to get firewood." His mother showed pity on him. "Oh, Dio, my son, go and lie down and rest your elbow. Your sisters can go get the firewood," she said. But rather than rest, he sneaked out of the back door to play with his friends. Another day, his father said to him, "Dio, please help me and fetch water from the well for me to wash my clothes." Dio went into the room and tied bandage on his middle finger. Then he went to his father and said, "Father, I cut my finger yesterday while I was cutting down a tree. It's hurting so much. I am not able to fetch the water for you." His father showed pity on him.
Sorry, my dear. Go inside the house.
"Your sisters can fetch the water for me," he said. Once more, Dio sneaked out through the back door to play with his friends. Yes. One day, his mother said to him, "Dio, please go to our neighbor's house and ask her what day is the cleanup day." Dio went into the room and tied a bandage on his knee. This Dio. Then he went to his mother and said, "Mother, I broke my knee while I was running from a mad dog yesterday. It's hurting so much. I am not able to go to our neighbor's house for you." Oh. His mother showed pity on him. "Oh, Dio, my son, go and lie down and rest your knee. Your sister can do that for me," she said. But Dio again sneaked out of the back door to play with his friends. As he climbed the fence to go out, he ran into a wild dog with his puppies. The dog charged towards him. He ran and screamed so loud, "Mother, mother, father, father, please come. I am being attacked by a wild dog." His sister heard his voice and asked, "Was that not Dio screaming?" Their mother said, "It couldn't be. He broke his knee and he is lying down in the room." Dio suddenly ran into the compound through the gate, panting and crying. Panting and crying. He's crying. He had bruises and dog bites all over his body. I have been attacked by a wild dog. He screamed.
I thought you had a wound.
He lay on the ground, yelling and crying. His body covered with bruises and dog bites. That's what you get for disobeying your parents, his mother said. That serves you right. This is the end of the story.
Yay!
Yeah, indeed. So what do you feel about dying? What's the lesson? What's the lesson?
The lesson is that you should not be stubborn.
Yes. She got a lesson, and she has the lesson that you should not be stubborn. Yes.
I learned that it is not good to be disobedient.
Don't be disobedient. Obey your parents. Good. What else?
I learned that it's not good to tell lies.
Don't tell lies. Yes. We have so many lessons. Yes.
I also learned that it's not good to be lazy.
Don't be lazy. Don't be a lazy child. Learn to go on errands, okay? If you don't go on errands, who will do them for you? You don't wash plates, who will wash them for you? You don't sweep the compound, who will sweep them for you? You don't fetch water, who will fetch the water for you to take your bath? So go on errands, okay? Any other lesson? Yes, dear.
I also learned that it's not good to pretend.
Don't pretend. Don't tell lies. He said he hurt his finger. He said he hurt his ankle. All lies upon lies. He said he was chased by a dog, and eventually he was chased by a mad dog. Okay, children, this is a very good story.
Monkey, 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 we went to the lion's den. The beast and the bears were there. Then suddenly monkey came down and went before them there. The monkey gave a jump right to the lion's knees. The lion's three heads down the monkey, and that is the end of the monkey, monkey. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry their load, and at once gorilla started weeping.